You just need a phone. And you have a phone because you're watching this, okay? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Unati, and in today's video I'm going to be showing and walking through with you guys ways to make money as a teenager in 2025. This is a part 2 of my 2025 how to make money series. I have my MacBook as usual. So this video's main topic is how to start a business online and start making your money online. So I'm gonna walk with you guys through this step by step, and we're gonna go through this together. But before we get into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel if you enjoy these kind of videos. And let's get into how to make your bag. Step 1, I have pick a business model / niche. So I need you to know what you are going to be selling and where you're going to be selling it. The first idea that I have for this is selling digital products. This is like one of the most cheapest ways where you don't even have to necessarily invest any money into it to make money, you know. But this is like one of the easiest ways, is selling digital products. So you need no inventory, no stock, you just need a phone. And you have a phone because you're watching this, okay? So I've noted down some ideas that I have for this. You could sell ebooks, you could sell digital prompts like journal prompts, you know, journal like templates, printables, Notion templates, and charge people for them. I know so many people who do this on Etsy. Like, I've literally purchased a journal prompt off Etsy and I literally have it on my iPad. And guys, you could be doing that, and it's so easy to do and so easy to link videos down below on how you can get started on selling digital products, and these are one of the most easiest ways to truly make money. So in terms of ebooks, you could sell, I know a lot of content creators, influencers who sell ebooks on how to edit, like how they do their thumbnails and how they get their like creative graphics for their channel. Content creators who make so much money off of those. And then the next idea that I have is to sell tangible products. So you could start off by selling handmade products, which are like very low cost. Buy your little bead set, jewelry making set off Amazon, okay, cheap. Get that jewelry set and start making your bracelets, okay, your necklaces, whatever it is. You can make candles, you can make stickers, keychains, anything like that. And you can sell these on Etsy, Shopify, or even just like make a website for it, or even social media, guys. Like, I've seen people who have businesses on Instagram, people who have businesses over on TikTok. Something that's even easier if you're lazy and you don't really want to hand make things, okay, is literally buying off websites like Alibaba, AliExpress, and reselling those. So for example, you could sell phone cases, okay, you could sell accessories like charms, stickers, MagSafe like card holders, you know. And I know a lot of people are into anime these days, so like those like anime like structures, gaming accessories, hair clips, scrunchies, like there's so much out there that you could sell. So we have AliExpress, we have Alibaba. These are platforms where you can just order stuff in bulk. I would recommend going for a lower inventory first as you buy, just so you know you ease yourself into it. Start with a stock of like 20 items and then see if you can sell those items, and then obviously you can reorder more if you see that all your stuff is out of stock, you know. The next idea that I have is to make print on demand items, which is like selling like custom t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, or posters. You can make custom items for like whatever's trending in that moment. So guys, then we have step 3, which is marketing and getting your customers. So marketing, guys, is free in this day and age. Let's not be paying for marketing, okay? If you want to, I'm going to give you some options of what you can do, but let's not. No, okay? Social media is a thing. Come on, girl. Making a strategy, posting content consistently on TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, just promoting your brand everywhere you can, showing you packing them, like the behind the scenes, what customers have said about your products, using like trending hashtag, trending sounds, and making your video SEO friendly so you can reach as much customers as you can. Once again, a free way is just to maybe collaborate with micro influencers like myself. Like, if y'all want to send me something, girl, I'm down to promote your brand, okay, as long as it's a good product, okay? Just like reaching out to micro influencers and seeing if you can send them things, and then they can post about whatever you're selling, and that will also help you market your product, and for paid ads if you do have the budget. But for this, I wouldn't necessarily say this is very unnecessary for me, because although it will help you, but I just feel like in this day and age it's very easy to get free marketing for yourself, you know. So you could use Facebook ads or TikTok ads on YouTube too. You would have to see how all of that works and how much that would cost, but if you have the budget for it, it's definitely something you could invest into. And then the last step that we have, guys, is scaling and growing your business. Okay, so guys, like I said, we're in 2025. AI is advancing, everything is advancing. Use AI. I used AI to plan this video. Okay, obviously I tweaked a couple things to match what I would want and added my own stuff, but AI like planned this video out for me. I went to ChatGPT, I said, girl, so I'm about to make my video on how to make money as a teenager, and she just gave me the juice, the tea, and how to structure my video. And this is why my video is so well formatted. Okay, and guys, for marketing, seeing what's trending, and just I think there's so many other ways to use AI that I probably can't even get into, that I don't know of, but just taking advantage of the resources that you already have. And then obviously eventually when you're trying to now like grow your business, expanding your product line and adding new items based on the things that are trending. So I think an example that I put down was like how like a while ago, but I feel like it's still kind of trending now, but it's kind of dying down, but like guys, coquette, like the girly bow aesthetic was the whole jam. It was the jam. Okay, everyone loved bows, pink, I feel like it's still kind of there. That was like something where it's like, as a business you can monetize off of that heavily. Like if you do phone cases, do designs based off of that. If you do scrunchies, do designs based off of that. Like I feel like as a business you just need to really adapt to what's trending, especially if you're a smaller one and you're trying to grow. But now like cheetah print is a thing too, leopard prints, I don't know, same thing, girl. And then the last thing that I have in terms of scaling and growing your business is offering bundles and discounts. So just to keep your customers coming back, like if they get like 20% off their first order, and then if they order again, you know, they can get a discount off of that, offering discount codes. And it'll also make your customers feel like they're getting a bargain, you know, even though sometimes they aren't, but you just need to make them feel like it. And then the last couple tips that I have for you guys is to start with low risk options. So I would say if you're starting a small business, don't go high risk, don't be doing the most. Okay, calm down. These ideas that I've given to you guys, very low risk. You don't need too much money, if any, you know. So just starting with low risk options and not falling for the get rich quick scams, because no. And just sticking to real strategies for growth and to see real growth in your business. And then just watching out for trends. It's really about the trends, guys, and adapting to those trends in the market that you're in. Even I'm thinking of starting a business, but I feel like right now there's a lot going on in my life, but I definitely want to like start some sort of business that involves like designing things. I don't know what it will be yet, but just like excited for all of that. And I feel like it's something that I'm so passionate about, which is why I made this video for you. And yeah, guys, let's recap. Okay, pick your business model, pick your niche, set it up, market, and scale and grow. Okay, comment down below what business you're thinking of starting, and let me know if this video helped you, because I just love to help you guys out on giving you guys ideas on how to get your bag up. If you did enjoy this video, subscribe to my channel. I love you all so much. Thank you for watching.